Data Analytics Tools, Step-by-Step Comprehensive Guide. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the up-to-the-minute in technical school and innovation. Today, we're diving deep into the worldly concern of data analytics tools, and you're in for a treat. So, if you've ever wondered how information can transform your business, stick around because we've got some exciting insights to share. Segment 1: The Power of Data. Data is the lifeblood of modern font businesses, and to tackle its power, you need the right tools in your arsenal. That's where data analytics tools come into play. These tools undergo altogether data and turn it into actionable insights. Whether you're a startup or a Fortune 500 company, information analytics tools can help you make informed decisions, plot trends, and define your business forward. Segment 2: Types of Data Analytics Tools. But there's atomic number 102 one-size-fits-all solution in the world of data analytics. Let's toss off into three main types of tools. 1. Descriptive Analytics. 2. Predictive Analytics. 3. Prescriptive Analytics. First up, we have Descriptive Analytics. These tools serve you understand what happened in the past. Think of them as your data history book. Next, we've got Predictive Analytics. These tools are wish crystal balls for your business. They forecast future trends based on historical data. And finally, Prescriptive Analytics. These tools not only tell you what might materialize, but also recommend the best actions to take. Segment 3: Real-world applications. But let's not just talk theory. Data analytics tools are making waves in the real world. Here are some applications. 1. E-commerce. 2. Healthcare. 3. Finance. In e-commerce, businesses are using information analytics to individualize recommendations, increase sales, and improve customer experiences. In healthcare, these tools are helping doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and even predict potentiality outbreaks. And in finance, data analytics is revolutionizing the way we invest, manage risks, and detect fraudulent activities. Segment 4: Choosing the right tool. But before you jump into the world of data analytics, you need to choose the right tool for your needs. 1. Scalability. 2. Ease of use. 3. Cost. Consider factors like scalability. Will the tool around grow with your business? Is it user-friendly for your team? And of course, what's the undefined involved? Segment 5: Conclusion. So, there you have it, folks, information analytics tools, your secret artillery for success in the data-driven world. Whether you're in marketing, healthcare, or finance, these tools have the potential to supercharge your operations. If you found this video informative, don't leave to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that telling bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, when it comes to data analytics tools, the sky's the limit. See you next time.